shortage of food, shortage of food, ibura ry'ibiryo. Shortage of money, shortage of money, ibura ry'amafaranga. Shortage of jobs, shortage of jobs, ibura ry'imirimo. Shortage of water, shortage of water, ibura ry'amazi. Shortage of land, shortage of land, ubutaka buke. Lack of rain, lack of rain, kubura kw'imvura. Too much rain, too much rain, imvura nyinshi cyane. Strong wind, strong wind, umuyaga mwinshi. Bad weather, bad weather, ibihe bibi. Climate change, climate change, ihindagurika ry'ikirere. Poverty, poverty, ubukene. Hunger, hunger, inzara. Disease, disease, indwara. Good health, good health, ubuzima bwiza. Poor health, poor health, ubuzima bubi. Lack of medicine, lack of medicine, kubura imiti. Hospital is far, hospital is far, ibitaro biri kure. I am sick, I am sick, ndarwaye. I feel pain, I feel pain, ndumva ububabare cyangwa se uburibwe. I need help, I need help, nkeneye ubufasha. There is no job, there is no job, nta kazi gahari. I am working, I am working, ndi gukora. Hard work, hard work, gukora cyane. I am tired, I am tired, ndarambiwe cyangwa se ndananiwe. I am busy, I am busy, ndahuze. Job opportunity, job opportunity, amahirwe y'akazi. No experience, no experience, nta burambe. I am running, I am running, ndi kwiga. Education is important, education is important, uburezi ni ingenzi. School is expensive, school is expensive, ishuri rirahenze. I have no money, I have no money, nta mafaranga mfite. I want money, I want money, ndashaka amafaranga. Save money, save money, sigama amafaranga. Spend money, spend money, koresha amafaranga. Make money, make money, korera amafaranga. I'm hungry, I'm hungry, mfite inzara. I'm feast, I'm feast, mfite inyota. Give me water, give me water, mpa amazi. Give me food, give me food, mpa ibiryo. I'm full, I'm full, ndahaze. Where are you going? Where are you going? Ugiye he? I'm going home, I'm going home, ngiye mu rugo. Come here, come here, ngwino hano. Go there, go there, jya hariya. Wait here. Wait here. Tegereza hano. Tegerereza hano. Sit down. Sit down. Icara hasi. Stand up. Stand up. Haguruka. Open the door. Open the door. Fungura umuryango. Close the door. Close the door. Funga umuryango. Listen to me. Listen to me. Nyumva. Look at me. Look at me. Ndeba cyangwa se nyitegereze. Speak slowly. Speak slowly. Vuga buhoro. I don't understand. I don't understand. Simbyumva. Repeat again. Repeat again. Subiramo nanone cyangwa se ongera usubiremo. Speak English. Speak English. Vuga Icyongereza. I like it. I like it. Ndabikunda. I don't like it. I don't like it. Simbikunda. It is good. It is good. Ni byiza. It is bad. It is bad. Ni bibi. It is easy. It is easy. Biroroshye. It is hard. It is hard. Biragoye. Very good. Very good. Ni byiza cyane. Very bad. Very bad. Ni bibi cyane. Thank you. Thank you. Murakoze. You are welcome. You are welcome. Murakaza neza. Good night. Good night. Ijoro ryiza. Goodbye. Goodbye. Murabeho. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Tuzabonana ejo. See you later. See you later. Tuzabonana mu nyuma. Take care. Take care. Witwararike. Be careful. Be careful. Itonde. Don't worry. Don't worry. Ntugire impungenge. I am happy. I am happy. Ndishimye. I am sad. I am sad. Mfite agahinda cyangwa se ndababaye. I am angry. I am angry. Ndarakaye. I am afeared. I am afeared. Mfite ubwoba. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Ndishimye cyane. Big problem. Big problem. Ikibazo gikomeye. Small problem. Small problem. Ikibazo gito. No problem. No problem. Nta kibazo. Help me please. Help me please. Fasha ndakwinginze. I will try. I will try. Ndagerageza. I can do it. I can do it. Nshobora kubikora. I cannot do it. I cannot do it. Sinshobora kubikora. It is possible. It is possible. Birashoboka. It is impossible. It is impossible. Ntibishoboka. Don't stop. Don't stop. Ntuhagarare. Keep going. Keep going. Komeza ugende. Work hard. Work hard. Kora cyane. Never give up. Ntuzacike intege. Breathe in yourself. Breathe in yourself. Iyizere. Wowe ubwawe uyizere. You are strong. Uri umunyambaraga. You can learn. Ushobora kwiga. Start today. Tangira uyu munsi. Time is important. Time is important. Igihe ni ingenzi. Life is hard. Life is hard. Ubuzima buragoye. Life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. Ubuzima ni bwiza. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and comment.